Good day, fellow traders from all over the world and in South Africa as well. My name is Sunny Mdlalose. I just want to talk about the rand, our South African rand against the dollar. Okay, a lot of people saw the move this morning, and some people made money, and some people lost money. Okay, I'll explain exactly why other people made money and why other people lost money. Okay, so in this ZAR trade, yes, as I said before, that other people made money and then other people actually lost money on this particular trade today. Okay, there's two factors in this trade here today. As you can see, I've just gone to the 1 hour chart. The overall trend is up. ZAR has been going up steadily. We can see higher highs and higher lows, which is one of the most important Forex basics to understand, because when you understand higher highs and higher lows, you'll be able to determine the market direction or the trend. Okay, it doesn't always necessarily mean that higher highs means that you should be looking for buying opportunities and higher lows. Sometimes the institutions or the big hedge funds can fake higher highs and then reverse to take out the loss and hit the stop losses of retail traders. Okay, if we're looking at the ZAR, right, I want to talk about specifically about this incident that happened this morning when the markets open. I know a lot of people saw this incident and they think our currency is now useless, because on my broker it reached around 17.77. On other brokers, I heard that it reached as much as 1:18 against the US dollar. Okay, so there's a lot of factors contributing to the current rand weakness as well, but a lot of people overlooking the fact that the dollar is strong against almost every currency in the world. So as much as the rand is weak, the most important thing is the dollar is pretty strong. The dollar is very, very strong. So the other factor that is contributing to the rand weakness is the dollar strength. As much as people will say it's the president and this and that, you know what I mean? So there's a lot of things contributing. Yeah, it might be the president, but you know what? As a forex trader, I don't base my trades based on who says what and when. My trades are based on price action. My trades are based on what the markets are doing right now. Okay, but this example here, if we can just insert the rectangle, we can see the rand shot up here when the market opened, and then it came back down. So I know a lot of people got trapped here because they anticipated the rand continuation, the weakness of the rand to continue. There were people that were buying here, people were buying there, people were buying there, people were buying there, and people were very happy that the rand is going to the moon. Okay, it's never coming back down. Yeah, they're going to make millions. Okay, yeah, you might be lucky and over leverage and make millions on one trade, but you know, making a million in one trade, you can lose a million in one trade. I know a lot of people online will see them posting trades about making millions in one trade. Personally, as someone who's been doing this business for years, when I see those things, they don't excite me. They show immaturity, and also they prove that the people are still new in this business, because nothing nothing overcomes money management. The money management is the holy grail of forex trading, or on any sort of trading. You can't be over risking in one trade, because you might be losing on another trade. If you do that, you cannot be lucky every day, because this is what I call lucky trades, being able to make millions on one trade. It does happen, yes. Sometimes you find that your analysis will be right, but the most important thing is to properly follow money management and properly, you know what, practice safe money management skills. Because as I said, that you can make 2 million or 1 million rands in one trade, and you can lose 1 million rands in one trade. You get my point? Yes, there is a stop loss, but the most important thing is to practice proper money management. This is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Being a trader is being disciplined and being able to follow all the rules and not break the rules. You will lose money by breaking the rules, and you will make more money by just following your rules every single day. But back to the trade, we can clearly see the market shot up and then immediately it shot back down. Why? I've talked about the gap fill. I've talked about the markets will always come back down to fill the gaps. The markets will always come back down to in areas of market inefficiencies as well. We can clearly see the market pushed up. It had to come back. Why? Because this is an example of a gap. This is an example of the banks not being involved in this market. There isn't much liquidity in this move. That's why the market had to reverse back and fill the gap down there. Okay, so when you see a move like this, if you're in a trade, for example, if you were buying here, get out when you see that big jump there. Don't even ask questions. You're done for the day, you're done for the month, whatever. Get out, close your money, bank your money, because it's highly likely to come back. But professional traders, this is where they look to punish retail traders. When they are jumping in here this late, they are looking to be selling to the masses until down there. You can clearly see the person who made money here and you who sold right about there or there, you almost made the same money, because we know as professional traders, the faster the price goes up, the faster the price comes back down. If you understand that rule only, or that most important golden nugget that I just said there, you will make money in forex trading consistently, because you'll always understand that you're not going to be sucked in or into fast moves. You're going to be very, very patient and wait for clean moves before you take a trade. Okay, so guys, I know a lot of people made money on this move, but unfortunately I was sleeping. I don't trade the Asian session, so I missed this move. But personally, if I was awake, I would have started looking for selling opportunities around about there or going down there, but because I would have anticipated the markets to go back down and fill this gap. Does it always happen? No. But if you are wrong, you've got a stop loss, you've got your proper money management rules. If you are wrong, you're wrong. If you are right, the markets will reward you. Okay. But the most important thing to take away from this video, ladies and gentlemen, is that the markets will always go back down and fill the gaps. Okay. The markets will always go back down and fill the gaps. So that's very, very important for you to understand. If I say the market will always go back down and fill the gap. So you can look at different examples on your chart. You'll always see this pattern that the faster the price goes up, the faster it comes back down. So if you're a smart trader, you do exactly the opposite of what other people are thinking or what other people are doing, and you're looking to reverse. Okay. Right, this is Salim Dlalose. I'm actually on Skype as Salim Dlalose, so you can contact me and we can share this trading skill as well. You can view my videos, you can comment, and you can ask questions as well. If I've got time, I will always answer. But yes, I love this business. Okay, this is Salim Dlalose. I'm also on Facebook as well. My full name on Facebook is Tamsanga Salim Dlalose. I know it's a very, very long name. It's an African name. It's a South African name. So I'm not going to be spelling it. My fellow South African guys, they know the name very well. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video. I will be updating you on the next video. Keep well. God bless you. Bye-bye.